Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use your YouTube handle, and also before we do that, I'm actually going to tell you what a YouTube handle is and um, what actually identifies a YouTube handle, or how to identify a YouTube handle. Now, let's dive into the first one. What a YouTube handle is. So, in a quick word, a YouTube handle is actually a unique word that used to identify a particular channel. Now, since you is a unique word that is used to identify a particular channel, this actually means that the YouTube handle is your username on YouTube. Now, your username is also a unique word that is also used to identify you. In essence, if you want to actually notify somebody, all you need to do is to mention the person. And you know how to mention somebody on YouTube and every other platform. All you need to do is to make use of the @keyword on your keyboard. So when you type in the art, it actually gives you option for the different names or different username that are actually making use of the first keyword you type in, and then you can choose the right one. So that is what YouTube handle is. And now, to make use of YouTube handle and where you can make use of YouTube handle. So first, to make use of YouTube handle, let me show you guys a quick way to use the YouTube handle. So let me click on the plus icon right here and then create a post. So while creating a post, you can make use of any form you want. Let me choose the first option that says test. Now, let me just type in a word and then try to mention a particular handle. To mention a particular handle, just type in the keyword, which is @ and then type in the first word that appears, and you can notice it gives the different options of different names, especially the ones I'm subscribed to. And then below, it's going to show other people that I'm not yet subscribed to. So these two, I'm subscribed to them. That's the reason why it gave me the word. Now I'm going to type in TS, and it's going to bring in TS Tech Talk as first. And then I'm also going to keep typing the word, and you can notice it's going to bring in all of the word that are relating to that particular name. Now this is TS Tech Talk, and someone actually created TS Tech Talks. Okay, that is so weird. That's the first time I'm seeing it, so I'm surprised. So click on the TS Tech Talk, which is actually the channel that I want to go to, and then go ahead and type in the different options that you want to add, different words you want to add. I'm going to add in game and how to, and then I'm going to send this. So I just added TS Tech Talk to that particular listing, and I use his handle to add him up on that particular post. So also another place you can make use of handle is your story. You can make use of handle on your story. You can make use of handles on your video, and you can also make use of handles on YouTube Shorts. Now let me go ahead and show you one of them. But guys, a place that you can make use of handle currently is on the comment section. Now if you trying to actually mention a handle on comment section, is currently not available, but I think YouTube might want to add that later on, since they want us to be making use of handle, and I think they are going to add that later. But I've already tried that now and it didn't work out properly the right way, but maybe later on they will add it. So right now I can actually add this on the story. Let me just go ahead and take a screenshot. And now let me go ahead and go to this sticker section and then mention. So when you click on mention, just type in the handle's name and it's going to appear on this section. So I'm going to choose that, and this is it. And I can also add in a handle and also add in YouTube here. So once you're done, just arrange that to the right area and then go ahead and click on next and then publish. Now, if you actually mention somebody on your handle and you uploaded the post successfully, now unlike other platform, or unlike Facebook, if you mention somebody on Facebook, the person can actually take that down. I think maybe later on YouTube will update or review this and adjust it later on. So right now, if I mention somebody, like I just mentioned Trust Stanley, I just use your handle, and now if I go to the TS Tech Talk, and actually on the notification section and on the mention section, I can see that this person actually used my handle and also where the person used them. And if I click on it, I can actually see where the person used it. And also you can back out, and also on that mention area, you can click on this three-dotted icon and you can also block the user. That is if you actually feel annoyed on that particular post. So for now, this is all how to use handles. And do not forget, guys, smash like and subscribe to the channel for more video. I will see you guys on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.